my name is Mackenzie Strofe, and this is CountFast 99 and 101. The very first card of this deck is a math focus card, which talks to you about the purpose of this deck. And the purpose is to get students familiar or comfortable adding, subtracting, and multiplying by the number 99, and also multiplying by the number 101. This is something that students might think is very difficult, but once they know this strategy or trick, then it will become much easier. And like with anything, the more that they practice, the faster they will get. So the first deck is our yellow deck, which is adding the number 99 to a number. So what you would do when you add 99 to a number is you actually pretend that this number is 100, which is only one more than 99. So it would actually be 12 plus 100, which is 112. And then you subtract that one that you added to make it 100. You subtract that from 112. So it would be 111. I'll show you another example. Here is 26 plus 99. And again, if you added 1 to this, then that would make it 100, which makes it much easier to add. So then it would be 26 plus 100, which is 126. And then you subtract that one away that you added on, so it's 125. So that's how an easy way that you would add the number 99. Subtracting the number 99 works the same sort of way, only before when we subtracted 1 from our final number, now we're going to add 1 back. So here, if we pretend that this number is 100, and we have 100 minus 17, we take 100 away, so we would be left with 17, but then we need to add 1 back, which would make our answer 18. Another example would be 438 minus 99. Again, I'm going to pretend like this is 100 because that makes it easier to do a mental calculation in my head. 438 minus 100 is 338, and then I add 1 back, which makes it 339. Now I'm going to multiply by 99. This looks a little bit tricky, and I'm going to show you why it works, but then I'm going to show you how cool it is that you can just multiply by 99 very, very quickly. So the first problem that we have here is 17 times 99. So it's easier to think of it as 17 times 100, which is just one extra 17. Essentially, 17 times 99 is saying you're taking 17 99 times. Over here, I'm taking 17 100 times, so I'm going to have an extra 17 over here, but it makes it a little bit easier to figure out. So 17 times 100 would be 1,700. But like I said, since I added an extra 17 over here, because I took it times 100 instead of times 99, I would need to subtract 17, which then would make my answer 1,683. So the easy way, the CountFast way to do this is that you take this first number, or your number 17, and right away you subtract 1. Because your number is going to be less than what it would be if you times it by 100. So you subtract 1, which would give you 16, and then your last 2 digits would be 100 minus 17, which would be 83. So you'll notice that I got the same answer, just doing it a little bit different, and it's a trick, if you will, to do it quicker in a more efficient way. So let me do another example. 26 times 99. Again, I could multiply it by 100 and then subtract 26, but the much easier, faster way would be to take 26 and minus 1, which would give me my first 2 digits, which is 25. And then in my head, I'm going to take 100 and I subtract 26, which would give me 74. So the answer to 26 times 99 is 2,574. So that is multiplying by 99. Now I'm going to show you how to multiply by 101. When you multiply by 101, you can think of 101 as, or you can decompose it into 100 plus 1. So what you would do is you take 27 first times 100, which would give you 2,700. But then you need to add in this additional 27 because 27 times 1 is 27. So if I were then to add 27, then my answer is 2,727. Now you'll notice that that number is just, it's the same. It's this number 2 times. Okay, so let me show you this trick then. So here is 31 times 101. Again, I could take 31 times 100 and then add an additional 31, or the CountFast way is to know that it's just 31, 31, or 3,131. So just some strategies or tricks to help you to multiply by 99 and 101 easier and faster. The last deck is the gold deck, and this is a combination of adding by 99, subtracting by 99, multiplying by 99, and multiplying by 101. So remember, kids, this is just something that makes math a little bit more fun. This is something that you could test your parents on, and maybe you want to race with them to see who can multiply by 99 faster or 101 faster. And I guarantee, knowing this trick, it's going to be you. There is a time card at the end where you can test yourself, grab a deck and see how fast you can get through the whole deck, and then each day do the same deck and see how much faster you get. And then there's an answer card. All good mathematicians double check their answers to make sure they're right. So here is a way for you to double check to make sure that you got the right answer, or if you get stuck on one, then you can look here to see what the answer is.